boys and girls? Welcome to Learning Guitar. Max and Andy Grammer collab. They do The Thing I Love, a nice song. And yes, we have a couple of chords to this one. I believe like maybe 5-6 chords or so, but you will see that 3 of them is kind of 95% of the song. We'll come to that. One thing that I love is this guitar, okay? It comes from Anchor Guitar. I want you to check out their webpage. They have cool guitars and they're very affordable. And if you want to use my coupon code GoingGuitar10, you can even get 10% off from a very good price. Look at this beauty here, the big Dreadnought version, big sounding, great for strumming and so. They have other sizes and colors, so check them out, Anchor Guitars. Now, let's go into this one, Max and Andy's The Thing I Love. And what you're going to do here is to place a capo on third. Absolute best scenario for us. If you don't have any, then just follow the same chords. Let's go into them. So we have 3 main chords to start with. It's the E minor, C, and G. E minor goes open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have C next. That will be third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Then we have the G. Third E, second A, open D, open G, open B, and third E. All right, this is the main 3 chords. Then we also have the G/F sharp. So it comes from after the G chord. So what you do here, you keep the G, all right, and then you just recuperate your fingers to this position. You want this F sharp note, okay? So that's a kind of a bridge note into the next chord. So index on second fret E, and then the rest down there follows the G chord. So second A, and then open D, open G, open B, and third E. You will probably not go down all the way there, but yeah, this is the chord, okay? So that's the G/F, that's what I would call it. Then we have the D sus4 / the F sharp. So yes, again, this F sharp note, we have that on the second fret E. Then open A, open D, second G, third B, and third E. And then finally we have the A minor. And that goes open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. And these 2 last chords, we'll use them in the bridge part only. And yep, there we have it. Now let's go into the main thing here, going on E minor, C, G, and learn the strumming. So the strumming goes like this for 1 round with E minor. Okay, so you're gonna play 2 downs first. I prefer to play the first down on the bass strings to really mark out the chord. And then I answer with the second down on the higher strings. So, and then comes up, down, up in the mid high area or so. So down, down, up is 1 string round. Let's go for rounds, couple rounds to get the feeling for it. All right, so first verse, you're gonna play E minor 1, C1, and G2, okay? You're gonna play it for 4 rounds, and on the 4th and final round, you're just gonna play G for 1 strumming round and the pause. That pause builds up for the chorus. So 4 rounds in total, and I'm gonna play round number 3 and round number 4 for you, so understand the pause thing there going on. Let's go. All right, so that is the verse. Now into the chorus, and yes, it's about 4 rounds in total. The first 2 rounds goes in the same way as the verse play. We know that by now, E minor 1, C1, and G2. The 3rd round goes E minor 1, C1, G1, and that's GF1. And then the 4th and final round goes E minor 1, C1, and G1 with that pause in the same way as the verse ended. So that is a total of 4 rounds. I'm going to give you the 3rd and the 4th round. It goes like this. All right. right, then we have a post-chorus part that comes right after. You're gonna play 2 rounds of that famous A minor 1, C1, and G2. And that's the first round of everything. Second round is pretty much repetition. Yes, it is. So no news there at all. It goes in the same way as we just learned. And after that second post-chorus comes the bridge part. We land at 1 minute and 56 seconds in. Don't wanna know is where are the lyrics. And now you're gonna play that D sus4/S sharp. You're gonna play that for 2 rounds. Then you're gonna go to C and play 2 string rounds. Then back to that D sus for 2 string rounds. And then A minor 1 string round plus a pause. Okay, so that's it. I'm gonna play it for you. It goes like this. All right, and after that comes the outro and the final parts of the song. That is to play the third chorus, okay? So the third chorus is played exactly in the same way as the previous ones. You're gonna play then the third post-chorus parts, and that is double as long as the other ones. You're gonna play 4 rounds of that E minor, C, and G, and once you've done that, that is the end of this uplifting song from Andy and Max. It's called "The Thing I Love." Okay, so it's a nice song. Fits guitar obviously very well. So if you like the song, have a guitar. It's a perfect match. Give it some time, short time, I believe, and you will learn it and perform it. So yeah, if you want to give something back to me, then leave me a comment, thumb up the tutorial, subscribe, and be back. Till next time, guys. Stay tuned.